Today we are going to explore Bing AI. Bing AI is an artificial intelligence tool by Microsoft, and basically it uses ChatGPT. There was a partnership between Microsoft and OpenAI. OpenAI is the company that created ChatGPT, and right now, basically, all the ChatGPT features are also available in the Bing Chat um, tool. So here is the homepage, and I will provide the link, the direct link in the description of this video. And here there are some suggestions, basically. Um, these suggestions are prompt, basically, that you can type over here at the bottom. So ask me anything is written there, and you can type one of these, or you can type, for example, I don't know, explain me how to um, reverse a string in C sharp, for example. You can do like this. It can provide you example of code. It can provide you explanations of terms. It can provide you knowledge. You can ask even history to GPT here, and it can also correct some basic bugs, code bugs. And recently there is also the image generation feature, but it's not the main topic of this video. You can find another video in the description of this video. But here we go. So it provided basically an answer to my question. I was asking, explain me how to reverse a string in C sharp, which is something that is often asked in technical interviews, or anyway, something that any developer have to do in at least once in their life. And here it explained the code. It gave you snippets of code, and it explains you basically almost everything. And it also add you some links in which you can learn more. So this was just one example that I typed here, but there are many others. So you can, for example, you can write the outline of a book report, or give me a list of new hobbies, or it can be, for example, okay, this is very hot. Organize the last 10 years of worldwide volcanic activity into a table. I think this is like the 1% of population. Uh, I mean, only 1% of the population will search for this, but nevertheless, this word is free and you can look for whatever you like. And okay, write a joke that my coworkers would find funny. This is interesting. So you can even ask GPT to write jokes. I will type this one because I'm curious to see if it actually has a list of jokes. I didn't know that. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. Whatever. Okay, it's not really a really good joke, but okay. And there are also some images here. Yeah, whatever. So this was a failed attempt. So maybe someone will laugh at this. Maybe I don't know. I guess it's black humor, whatever. But anyway, so you can basically type a lot of things. And if you already use ChatGPT by OpenAI, basically here you can write the same things. Oops. And you can also actually add an image here. So to be more specific in your prompt, you might add also an image. For example, you can nowadays you can even ask to generate an image similar to another one, or you can type something with your voice instead of writing in words. And yeah, so basically these are just examples, but you can literally type a lot of things. You can even ask Bing to create a script for Blender, and I'm going to create another video for that, by the way. So it can be used for generating some 3D models or having some very basic animations like rotating a cube in Blender, for example. or write some code also for After Effects to have some basic motion graphics movements. It is very powerful and it can facilitate the work most of the times, basically. So here it is. Here's the video, and if you find it useful, if you find Bing AI useful, tell me what are you using it about. And that's it for today. See you.